Revopoint INSPIRE 2 3D scanner for 3D printing review. Wireless proof worth your attention. What if your 3D scanner could go anywhere, handle shiny metal and dark surfaces without spray, and stream live results straight to your phone from a device lighter than a bar of soap? Most people scanning for 3D printing are still wrestling with cables, failed tracking, and disappointing mesh quality after hours of prep work. That gets old fast. If any of that sounds familiar, you are going to want to stay right here, because this changes the conversation completely. Here is the thing about most mid-range 3D scanners. They perform beautifully in controlled demos and fall apart the moment you point them at something real. A reflective engine part, a dark matte casing, a curved surface outdoors where ambient light destroys your point cloud before the first pass is even finished. You adjust settings, apply spray, reposition markers, and still end up cleaning a mesh that should have arrived clean from the start. That quiet frustration compounds across a week. Hours disappear into preparation instead of actual design work. Your workflow loses momentum exactly when momentum matters most. And the worst part is that you start doubting the scan data before you even import it into software. You want precision that holds up in the real world, not just under perfect studio lighting. That calmer, more controlled scanning experience always felt like it should exist, and now it genuinely does, which is exactly what we need to talk about. Then everything changed when I found the Revopoint INSPIRE 2 3D scanner for 3D printing. But before we dive in, here is something worth knowing. Do not just pick any handheld 3D scanner. Make sure it has dual infrared structured light and multi-line laser modes so you never experience failed tracking on shiny or dark surfaces again. The INSPIRE 2 carries 11 infrared laser lines that capture reflective chrome and matte black surfaces cleanly without spray. In structured light mode, it reaches up to 18 frames per second for fast organic shape capture. In laser mode, it hits 90 frames per second on a GPU-enabled system. Precision reaches 0.03 millimeters. Accuracy holds at 0.05 millimeters. The included calibration board boosts point cloud accuracy by 75% right out of the box. Optical zoom at 1.5 times and 2 times lets you shift between broad coverage and fine surface detail mid-scan without switching tools. The built-in RGB camera captures full-color textures automatically synchronized with your geometry, ideal for heritage documentation, product design, and digital archiving. Wi-Fi 6.0 means live streaming to a phone or tablet while walking freely around a vehicle or large assembly. At only 190 grams with an aerospace-grade aluminum front panel, this scanner travels anywhere and performs under genuinely real working conditions.
Trust matters more than specifications when you are investing in a precision scanning tool. A 3D scanning expert confirmed that 0.03 millimeter precision captures mechanical tolerances accurately, and that the infrared laser eliminates spray requirements on oily engine parts entirely. A maker influencer noted that Wi-Fi 6 streaming allowed outdoor scanning while monitoring live results on a tablet, with the 90 frames per second laser mode handling reflective tools without hesitation. A metrology analyst highlighted that the 75% denser point clouds from the calibration board and structured light performance in 20,000 lux shaded environments produce genuinely impressive and repeatable results. On the user side, an early adopter scanning a 65mm shiny black metal component called the output absolutely fantastic after their very first session with no prior experience. One honest note worth mentioning: highly polished chrome or fully transparent surfaces may still benefit from a light application of scanning spray for the cleanest possible mesh output.
The Revopoint INSPIRE 2 3D scanner for 3D printing delivers wireless freedom, dual-mode precision, and full-color scanning in a 190-gram package that goes wherever your work takes you. Thousands of designers, engineers, and makers are already using it daily to produce clean, accurate models ready for printing, reverse engineering, and archiving without the usual prep work frustration holding them back. I have dropped the affiliate link in the description and pinned it in the comments below. Just click and take a look for yourself. This is the kind of scanner that makes you genuinely wonder why you waited this long.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.